Hello friends, in today's topic we will discuss about axillary nerve. Which is also known as circumflex nerve. In this, we will talk about its course, relation, and branches. Before we proceed further, let's quickly discuss what axillary nerve is. Axillary nerve is a smaller terminal branch of posterior cord of brachial plexus. Its root value is C5 at C6. Now we are discussing about its course and relation with the help of a diagram. This is posterior cord of brachial plexus and this is our axillary nerve. In lower part of axilla, axillary nerve runs downward behind third part of axillary artery. This artery shown here is axillary artery. This axillary nerve winds around the lower border of subscapularis muscle and before entering into quadrangular space gives a branch to this capsule of the shoulder joint. This is capsule of shoulder joint. This is the course of axillary nerve in lower part of axilla. Here the nerve is related medially to median nerve and laterally to coracobrachialis muscle. This is the anterior view. Now we will see its posterior view. This is our posterior view. The space which is shown here is quadrangular space. This space is what? Quadrangular space. This is posterior circumflex humeral artery. In quadrangular space, nerve is accompanied with this posterior circumflex humeral artery, and here only nerve divides into two branches, anterior and posterior. This is the anterior branch. And this is posterior branch. In this quadrangular space, axillary nerve is related to superiorly teres minor muscle, inferiorly to teres major muscle, laterally to surgical neck of humerus, and medially to long head of triceps brachii. Now let's talk about its branches. I will tell you this with a diagram. Suppose this is our surgical neck of humerus. Surgical neck of humerus. This is deltoid muscle. This is teres minor muscle. This is posterior circumflex humeral artery. Axillary nerve at quadrangular space divides into two branches. One is anterior and another one is posterior. Anterior branch winds around surgical neck of humerus and reaching up to the anterior border of deltoid and supplies the deltoid muscle. Whereas posterior division of axillary nerve gives a branch to teres minor muscle and posterior part of deltoid muscle, and then it continues as a upper lateral cutaneous nerve of arm. This is deltoid. This is upper lateral cutaneous nerve of arm. This is teres minor, and this is anterior division. That's all about axillary nerve. Thanks for watching and keep learning.